Hey everybody, I'm Marcel from Tyger Auto, and today we're going to share with you the installation steps on our Fury bumper for this Jeep Gladiator. Some of the outstanding features on this bumper is its heavy-duty carbon steel construction, along with an area for a 22-inch aftermarket light bar, and also a provision for a winch for all of your recovery needs. Now this bumper is quite heavy, and you probably will need someone else to assist you to install this. So go ahead, grab a friend, and let's get ready to work. First, make sure that all the parts and hardware are accounted for, and if you have factory fog lights installed, go ahead and remove those. Then remove the factory plastic lower splash guard and skid plate. Proceed to remove the fill panel attached to the top of the frame beyond the factory bumper. With assistance, remove the factory front bumper and hardware and safely set it aside. After that, begin prepping the Fury bumper by installing the bolt plates. Then hold the bumper up to the front side and line up the studs against the mounting plates on the frame to begin installing the hardware, but don't tighten it for now. This bumper does not come with a light bar, but if needed, install these brackets along the track at the top of the arch depending on the size of the light bar. Also, if you wish to add a winch to your bumper, follow your winch's installation instruction to attach it to the plate. Proceed with installing the light pods if you have them and your license plate bracket to reposition your plate. Before we finish, install the skid plate to attach it to the bottom of the bumper and to the frame of the vehicle. Finally, adjust the fit as you see please and tighten the hardware after you're happy with the result. And now you're done.